Today we're exploring the crucial importance of millets in modern nutrition, looking at how these humble grains support our health, our environment, and our food culture. Why millets matter today. In recent years, millets have been gaining recognition again. These ancient grains are packed with nutrients and health benefits. Even better, they're incredibly resilient, making them ideal for sustainable farming in the face of climate change, nutrient-rich and wholesome. Millets are true nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with carbohydrates, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. Specifically, they're high in magnesium, iron, phosphorus, and potassium, key for energy, bone health, and overall wellness. Millets for better health. One major advantage of millets is their high fiber content. They aid digestion and help regulate blood sugar. Plus, they're naturally gluten-free, making them an excellent option for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. More reasons to choose millets. But there's more. Millets can help with weight management by keeping you fuller longer. They support heart health thanks to magnesium and potassium. And varieties like finger millet are rich in antioxidants, which protect against chronic disease. Growing millets equals growing sustainability. Millets are also champions of sustainability. They need less water and fewer chemicals to grow, thriving in dry or degraded soils. In an era of water scarcity and ecological strain, they represent a smart, responsible farming choice. Endless, delicious possibilities. Beyond nutrition and sustainability, millets are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can make porridge, rotis, dosas, upma, salads, and even desserts. Their nutty flavor and grainy texture make meals both wholesome and exciting. Millets for health and the planet. In short, millets are good for us and for the earth. They nourish our bodies, support sustainable agriculture, and reduce environmental impact. It's time we welcome them back into our daily diets. It's time to embrace millets. So what can you do? Start by including millets in your meals, choose millet-based products when possible, support local farmers who grow them, and most importantly, spread the word.
Thank you for listening. I hope this talk inspires you to explore millets further and be part of a food future that's healthier and more sustainable for all.